If you're so smart, then why aren't you profitable?
I just saw a post by Alex Hermosi that said with zero talent, you can still beat out 99% of people by trying like your life depended on it. Because it does. The life that you want depends on your efforts. And if you're watching this video, you're likely wondering, why am I not profitable if I'm smart?
The truth is, being smart and talented will only get you so far. If you want to build a business that's sustainable long term, you have to get out of the talent trap. And today we're going to give you 5 tips to get you out of the talent trap and into a successful, profitable business. What's up, guys? I'm Raven.
And I'm Elyse Palacios.
And we help real estate agents and team leaders go from production to legacy.
It's our goal with every video to give you at least one actionable step to put into your business today. And we're going into how talent is not enough to run a successful business. It's great to get your foot in the door and you can make a lot of money. Trust me, I know. I worked 18-hour days for a long time, and that's why I started earning 6 figures. And now I've learned how to implement systems and take a step back from that hustle mode to make my life a little bit easier.
That's right. And hiring employees and implementing systems are 2 ways that you can get out of the talent trap and get away from working off of natural ability. The second recommendation we have is to take an honest look at your schedule and ask yourself, are you prioritizing busy work or profit work? Are you following the calendar that you set out, that you created at the beginning of the year? Are you doing lead generation when you say that you're going to? Are you following up with leads in the correct appropriate order? Or are you just hoping that something's going to fall out of your sky, that you'll get a deal out of nowhere? This business can be predictable. It can be a revenue stream that you can count on if you become predictable. You need to be the person that does the work consistently that's going to bring you profit.
Knowing your expenses is something that you should be doing at least once a year, especially at the start of the year. Do you know how much it costs to generate a lead? Do you know what your marketing expenses are? Do you know what your living expenses are aside from your business? What's your average commission per deal? And my favorite one is, can you charge more for what you're already doing and make more money?
I like that one too. As your experience level grows and you become more proficient, it becomes easier and easier to ask for higher commissions. And you absolutely should charge what you're worth.
So long as you're still building your knowledge base and you're worth what you're asking.
And you're worth it. The value has to be there. That is a good point. The 4th thing we encourage you to look at is your mindset. Your mindset can hold you back tremendously. And there's a phrase I like, what got you here won't get you there. So you need to grow and your mindset needs to expand beyond what you know currently. So let's say you've made $150,000 a year for the last 3 years. Great money, good salary, but you're capped out and you don't know how to get beyond that. There may be a mental block in there that you need to remove in order to get to that higher level. One thing that we recommend is surround yourself with more successful people so that way you're in an environment where that higher earning is not just possible, but it's common. That will elevate your own mindset. There are so many great podcasts and YouTube videos and books out there about mindset, and I've got a whole library of them that I'm happy to share. Just jump into the Reinvest community on Skool and DM me, and I'll give you everything I've got.
Our last takeaway of the day is to take ownership of your results. Stop waiting for your brokerage, the market, or someone else to fix your problems for you. And how that starts is by stopping overthinking. We're all guilty of it when it comes to one thing, especially if we're uncertain of taking that step. We tend to try to make it as perfect as possible before actually taking action on it.
That's right, and imperfect action will always beat perfect non-results. You just waiting around, and like Elyse said, no one's coming to save you. You've got to figure this stuff out yourself. So our challenge to you and how we're going to support you is jump into the Reinvest Skool community and post just one area that you're going to improve in. How are you going to break out from the talent trap to get to the next level? We're here to help and support you.
We can't wait to see you in the community. Click the link below in the description, and don't forget to subscribe. We put new content out weekly to help you grow your business.